Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to draw this sketch sample and we will draw these circles and arcs, and we will apply the dimensions and relations and we will make our sketch fully fine. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have the SolidWorks open. For creating a new part, just click on new part. Okay, now we have a new part in SolidWorks. For drawing a sketch, you have to choose a plane, and in SolidWorks we have three standard plane: front plane, top plane, or right plane, or we can create plane. I will tell you what's the use of these planes, but just for now, click on the front plane and click on a sketch. Now we have opened a sketch. First thing first, we have to draw these two circles, then we will draw the arcs. So here I choose circle, 2-point circle, and I start drawing the circle from the origin point. So you can see as I get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. So I draw a circle and I draw another one here and select. Now I have to draw two arcs. So here I choose arc. I mostly use 3-point arc. So I draw an arc here and I draw another one here. Okay, the center of the arc and the circles must be merged. So for doing that, I just hold the control button and choose these two entities, and here in add relation, give it concentric relation. Now, these two circles, not this one. So I only choose the circle, the arc here, the circle here, and the arc here, and I give it concentric relation. And I do the same thing here, concentric relation. Now I should move my sketch a little bit. Now I have to give the dimension. The dimension of this circle here is 45 millimeter, and the dimension of the radius of the arc here is 30 millimeter. And the dimension of this circle is 25 millimeter, and the radius of the arc is 20 millimeter. And the dimension from the origin points and the center of this circle is 100 millimeter. Sorry, 100 millimeter. Now we have to connect this arc to the arc here. So I choose 3-point arc, and I start drawing the arc from the point here, and I connect it to this arc. And be careful, the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch. And okay, the arc must be tangent to these two arcs. So I choose this one and the arc here, and I give it tangent relation, and I do the same thing here, tangent relation. And the radius of this arc is 60 millimeter. So I choose a smart dimension, and the radius of this arc is 60 millimeter. And here I have to draw another arc. So I draw another arc here, and the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch. Please be careful about that. And I draw two arcs here. So I draw arc here and another one here. Now I have to draw a line. So I draw the line here. So I start drawing the line from this point, and I draw a line. And the line here must be tangent to this arc. So I hold the control button and I choose this line and the arc here, and I give it tangent relation. If you can't see the relations or the dimensions, come in hide and show items, and you can turn on or turn off the relations or the dimensions. So if you can't see the dimensions or the relations, you can turn it on or turn it off here. So these two arcs must be concentric. So the center of these two arcs must be merged. So I choose the center of this arc and the center of this one, and here I give it merge relation, and I connect these two arcs with a line, and I connect the arc here to the line here, so I give it merge relation. Now move your sketch a little bit. Yes. Now I have to give the dimension. The dimension of this arc is 65 millimeter. And the dimension of, so the line here must be vertical, so I choose this line, and in add relation I give it a vertical relation. And here in a smart dimension I give this line a dimension of 10 millimeter. And the radius of this arc is 20 millimeter. And the radius of this one is 30 millimeter. It is 30 millimeter. And this arc must be tangent to this arc, and do the same thing here, tangent relation, and here tangent relation. Now we have to give the dimension. Choose a smart dimension, and the dimension from this point to the origin point is 80 millimeter. And the dimension from this point to the center of this circle is 95 millimeter. So here what's the problem? So hold the Ctrl Z, and we have to give the dimension again. So choose a smart dimension, and the dimension from this point to the point here is 90 millimeter. It is 95 millimeter. Yes. And the dimension from this point to the origin point is 45 millimeter. Now the sketch must be fully fine. Yes, you can see the sketch here is fully fine, and my sketch is fixed, and you can see all the entities are black. Please do it yourself and practice at home. It's very important to do practicing at home. And please watch my other videos. I have uploaded over 30 videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments.